Thumbnails. 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 Jazz hands. If you're brand new to video and you know that thumbnails are important, but you need to learn the strategy, I'm here with Andrew from Tubebuddy, and we're going to talk about how you can use this tool to help improve your thumbnail strategy to get more people to click on your videos. Coming right up. Now you may have heard thumbnails are very important because it helps improve your click-through rate, meaning it helps people click on your videos. But how do you improve your thumbnail strategy? Well, you can use the Tubebuddy tool. That's something that I use. I didn't get paid to say that, by the way. And I have Andrew here at VidCon 2019. He's with Tubebuddy. We're going to talk about how you can use the Tubebuddy tool, starting with the free version, to improve on your thumbnails. So what does Tubebuddy do, Andrew, to help people make better thumbnails that people will click on?
Absolutely. So within the free version, there's something called the Tubebuddy thumbnail generator. And what this does is you can either choose a still from the video, a pre-taken photo, or just a solid color in the background. And then from there, you can make and craft around whatever your video is about. So if it's all about thumbnails, then maybe we could be like pointing to a thumbnail right now. So you can definitely intrigue and compel viewers to click on that thumbnail. And through Tubebuddy, we have a lot of customization tools, all for free.
So basically, if you're pretty new to thumbnails, you don't have a way to create thumbnails, there's a nice quick thumbnail generator that Tubebuddy allows you to do straight from the YouTube website if you've got their plugin installed. So if you have the higher tier, you said the legend tier of Tubebuddy, there's this really fancy thing you can do called A/B testing.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure some people are not going to know what that is, so could you explain that?
So basically when you're A/B testing, it's basically showing two images and seeing which one the audience react to the most. So for what we do is we take two thumbnails, one you originally upload with the video, and then we let you create and craft a second one, or you can do it on your own, and you can upload it, and we will tell you the data side by side, which one got more viewers to actually watch your video. Because you can have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks on the thumbnail, no one comes into the store front, no one actually contributes or decides to come in, it doesn't matter how good the video is if the advertising for the video is bad.
Right, and that's really powerful. A/B testing is something that's used a lot in marketing.
Yes.
And there's a lot of talk that goes back and forth about what's big on YouTube, what's not. You know, that people talk about, well, faces are important, but sometimes you don't need faces. For instance, if you're making a cake, maybe people want to see the cake instead. So that's a great example of where you might want to do a test and see, does the thumbnail perform better with just the cake or the cake and a face? So that's why A/B testing is so powerful.
Absolutely, and another thing, especially going into like faces, if you are a larger creator, it makes way more sense to have your face in the thumbnail. But if you're not, just having the cake, as you said, can be all it needs. But always be testing, and with Tubebuddy, you can do A/B testing.
Right, because you can guess, but why guess when you can actually test and have measurable results?
Absolutely. Thumbnails are important, but what's more important than that is if once they click through and watched your video, if you're not confident on camera, it doesn't matter that they click through because they're not going to believe in the messaging you're saying.
That's true.
And if you want to be able to get better on-camera confidence, check out that playlist in the description down below.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome.
Bye, Data Dreamers.